Frisco Public Works is fixing a few buckled roads this summer as part of its routine maintenance.
With over 800 miles of road, I think if we're only having, an average of 12, that's a pretty small percentage.
Recent road buckling has forced Frisco Public Works to close some lanes of traffic on at least one major thoroughfare, as well as shut down a neighborhood road.
These are high priorities. Typically when something like this happens, especially ones like on El Dorado that are a major thoroughfare, it's a high priority.
Basically the concrete is expanding due to the heat and the thermal radiation, and the only place for that concrete to go when you have two sections of concrete pushing against each other is up.
That includes a temporary patch of asphalt before coming back and making a permanent repair. The goal is to reopen the closed lanes or roadway within a week, if not sooner.
Typically it starts in June and ends around end of July, 1st of August.
Over the last 3 years, Frisco has fixed an average of 12 buckled roadways a year. That's roughly 1% of the city's 818 miles of roadway that buckled in recent years.
We had a survey done, and our OCI, which is the overall condition index of the Frisco street network, was 88. That is very good for a city.
That survey also provides potential problem areas for Public Works to keep an eye on.
Most people have treated concrete as kind of the gold standard of streets, especially when you're constructing new streets. If you've got a concrete road, you're going to get 25 to 30 years out of that road. But that doesn't mean you don't have some issues along the way.
And I'm very proud of our staff and the fact that the mayor, council, and the city managers give us the tools and the resources that we need to maintain our roadway network.
To report an issue, please call Public Works at 972-292-5800 or send an email to publicworks@friscotexas.gov.